Understanding the phrase, holding my own, in English. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, holding my own. This phrase is often used in everyday English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. Holding my own is a phrase that means maintaining one's position or condition despite challenges or difficulties. It's often used to express that someone is managing well in a tough situation, keeping up with others, or successfully handling a task or challenge. For example, if someone says, "I'm holding my own in the new job," it means they are doing well despite it being new and possibly challenging. The phrase, holding my own, likely originates from a physical or competitive context, where it would mean maintaining a position or status against opposition or competition. Over time, it has evolved to be used in a variety of situations, not just physical or competitive ones. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used. In work, despite the tight deadline, I'm holding my own on the project. In school, in that advanced math class, I'm really holding my own. In sports, she's holding her own in the tennis tournament against more experienced players. In personal challenges, after his surgery, he's holding his own and recovering steadily. A common misconception is that holding my own means doing better than others. In reality, it simply means managing well in your own situation, not necessarily outperforming others. There are variations of this phrase, such as hold your ground or stand your ground, which carry a similar meaning but are used in slightly different contexts. Hold your ground often implies resistance or defense against something, while holding my own is more about maintaining stability or competence. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of holding my own. It's a versatile phrase that can add nuance to your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every phrase you learn is a step towards fluency. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video.